Near Protocol is up 23% in the last day, currently trading at $8.35 with a market cap of just under $9 billion and over 1.4 in volume. So Near is a protocol and is a blockchain, layer 1 blockchain that was designed as a community-run cloud computing platform that eliminates some of the limitations from other blockchains. So Near's growth has been absolutely explosive in the last couple of days, up 23% in the last day, over 106% in the last week, and 150% in the last month. So Near has just been absolutely exploding. Its all-time highs are near that $20 mark, or in terms of a market cap, $20 billion. And it looks like it doesn't seem to be slowing down anytime soon. So Near is one of these cryptos, these layer 1 blockchains that have been taking off. As I mentioned before about Holochain, layer 1 solutions and fast blockchains look to be the next sort of hype in terms of crypto, and layer 1 solutions such as we saw with Matic back in 2021, Holochain and Near seem to be something that a lot of developers are building upon, and that is a really, really good sign for the ecosystem. Near has pumped massively in the last couple of days. The thing I do want to note with Near, similar to Holochain, it is already an $8.7 billion market cap coin, so that is already top 17 in terms of total market cap for all cryptos. That does not mean at all that it cannot keep going, but it just means it's a lot harder for something like this to see explosive growth in terms of a 10x. I'm not saying that's impossible, but in terms of reasonable price predictions, looking towards all-time highs is very, very reasonable for a protocol that has already seen so much hype. It doesn't look like it's going to be slowing down, because if you think about it, a lot more developers are going to be going back into crypto now, and they're going to be looking for solutions for problems that they're facing. And it looks like these layer 1 blockchains are going to be those solutions at the moment, such as Holochain and Near. So as we've seen Bitcoin see growth, we're going to see this protocol also see massive growth. That is easy to say, but from what we've seen, seeing it at a $20 billion market cap is just sort of a given from where we are now. So back in 2021, it was trading at that $12 billion market cap at the peak in January, and now we're trading towards $8.7 billion. I think this is easily gonna hit that all-time high in terms of market cap, trading at $12 billion within the next couple of weeks. I think that once we see that halving come with Bitcoin, we're going to see a bigger correction in the whole market, including Near, and that would be a pretty important level for buying. In terms of 15-minute price action, every time we do see Near have that instant pump, we do see a pullback, so that is something to note. Even when we pumped, say on the 6th of March, we pumped over 30%, 40% in the space of 10 hours. We did see, once we saw initial volume come off, we do see that slow correction of about 10 to 12%. We saw a similar move here from that low up over 20%, and then a pullback of another 13%, another move here, and it looks like we're going to do exactly the same thing here. So from that low, we're up over 25%. And as soon as we see volume drop, it hasn't really dropped a considerable amount yet, but as soon as we do see that volume slowly drop, we're going to see another period of consolidation, pulling back probably about a similar 10 to 12% in the space of a couple days. And I think that would be a pretty good entry for a buy towards $7.50 to $7.40, and then looking for targets of 40 to 30% from that low. So that would put us towards that $9 to $9.30 mark. In terms of massive overhead resistance, obviously $10 is going to be a pretty big point of rejection, I imagine, for Near, or at least a point of resistance. $10 would put us at a market cap of around about $10.5 billion. And I think Near could see a bigger pullback from that point. But I think right now, momentum looks really good. A lot of people are building on Near. I don't see it slowing down anytime soon unless we see a bigger market correction. But that completely depends on Bitcoin, and I think Bitcoin isn't going to stop for at least a couple weeks. But yeah, that has been a quick video on Near Protocol. If you want to check out any other cryptos, let me know down below. But I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.